can you see the lines coming down the bench? It's all drip lines. Now, what I'm going to clean this bench with is going to be just a wet, fluffy microfiber cloth. Now, I want you to look at the technique. I want you to see how I'm not going over the same area more than once unless I need to, unless I can feel it. That's really important. It's being able to feel your bench top to see if you need any more scrubbing. Now, I always, always do clean the silicone because they always get dirty. Now, I'm just going to wipe it dry with our Shyn polish cloth. Now, same thing. I don't need to go over it more than once unless I need to, unless it's really wet. And then I just wait for it to dry. Now, as I'm wiping it dry, I can feel some little hard bits that I didn't feel before. So again, the feeling is really important. And that's why focusing is really important. Now, you will see this will come up streak-free. This had no product on it, none. This was simply water and microfiber cloth. Check that out. Perfect.